Is that the dirtiest car you've ever worked on?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We've just arrived at Wayne Park Auto, the highest rated mechanic in Brisbane, and they just started a new offering, dry ice blasting. And Beck and I thought, if there is like one car that can challenge a company that does dry ice blasting, is this all made here? Imagine 40 years of grease, mud, dirt, and dust all accumulated under the chassis. I have no idea how almost brand new it can look. So let's check it out and see how it works. We just put the car on the hose to take some photo for the before ice blasting and show you the difference, and then we're gonna do the ice blasting. I hope you are ready because we are, and looking under it looks so nasty. Can't wait to see the result.
Behind me, Dan's getting ready. He's checked our ear protection. Apparently it gets pretty loud. But he's grabbing the dry ice out of here to load it into the machine to give Sizzle his first dry ice blast. No, it makes an incredible difference.
Yeah.
This one is probably like the most extreme because you can see the old and then the new.
Yeah. Because how this works is it shocks the breeze, makes it cold.
Yep.
So it shrinks a bit, and then with the constant blasting, it'll break apart.
Yeah, good.
And since it's dry ice, it's just no mess. So it just evaporates.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Night one, did a few little bits and pieces, and he was thinking from Dry Ice Auto in Brisbane in Milton. We've got Dan, Andy and Richie, and the boys here have got behind us and are supporting us with our Send Up for the Strays campaign and rescue the dogs around Australia and help raise money for the cause. So as Andy was thinking, he was like, you know what, I think we should do it properly. You're not keeping the tray, let's take it off. And so we can ice blast everything. Yeah, it weighed, I'm not really sure how many kilos, but it was heavy. We did a 4-man lift, could have done it with 6. It's like this. To lift this weighed an absolute ton. We kind of lifted, car drove forward, and now we can see how Sizzle actually looks with the tray removed. And it's, yeah, I'm very glad we're putting an EZ toolbox tray on that because it's gonna be a lot lighter. Night 2 of ice blasting about to begin. So right now, Dan is working on the tyre, the back of the tyre, the filth. Like it's proper greasy and grotty in there. I don't even have words for how different it looks from completely disgusting to stripping all that grease back. We gotta check it out.
Bring you up to speed, take the wheel, let you drive. It's alright on a dark road, let the fire in us be the light, day and night. Yeah, we only seem to free our mind at night.
I didn't realize it was that deep in soil.
Is that the dirtiest car you've ever worked on?
Oh,
It's like insane. It's taking forever. 40 years of dirt, grease, baked on the car. It is hard work. We have a leak that cannot be identified at the moment because it is so dirty. that all the mud is sucking up the oil and we cannot see where the leaks come from. So once it's ice blasting, we'll be able to identify where the leak is and to fix it. The fuel tank has to be the most impressive thing that I've seen so far. Like the amount of dirt that was on it and the satisfaction of seeing everything flicking. Actually, it was like getting everywhere. I was maybe a bit too close, but I don't know if you realize like how insane this is. I'm so impressed. The boys at Dry Ice Auto just gave us a call and the car is ready to be painted today, meaning it's being completely ice blasted and it's at the cleanest we would probably ever seen it. So I'm very excited to go and check it out. So let's go. Wow, that's actually crazy. I can see the difference from here. That is like so much cleaner than it was.
Behind me, Sizzle is taped up, he's ready, he's been ice blasted, he's clean, gunk-free, and I'm very, very excited for this next step. So right now he looks good, but the paint is gonna top it off, finish it, and
The difference is insane. I cannot wait to see the lift and the new wheels on that.
I don't think I was ready for that.
Me neither. And then the new suspension.
Home to the mountain. Home to the mountain.
We have our second-hand tires that will go on before we put the new Toyota tire next year, so we can test fit them and put them on the new rim from our age. So let's go.
Oh yeah. Going through my head like a jet plane, going with the lights on. Turns out it started with a fight tonight. See me in the car going right to your door. 5 minutes later, I'm down on the floor.
I'm here today with the boys behind Dry Ice Auto in Brisbane, Richie, Andy, and for those of you that don't know, what is and who is Dry Ice Auto?
Dry Ice Auto is a business that started overseas. So we looked at how they were actually restoring cars, particularly classic cars, over in the UK. And we saw that dry ice blasting was something that's quite widely used, and the results were actually incredible. So our initial thoughts were high-end cars, classic cars. And when we actually started, we found that 80 to 90% of our inquiries were from the four-wheel drive market.
For us personally, we're very touched that you'd be willing to get behind our cause. What is the reason that you chose to support us?
We just wanted to get behind you. It's definitely, of all the cars we've done, this would definitely be the most challenging we've done. It's certainly taken the longest as well. I think we would normally use around 200 kilos of dry ice per car, and I think on your one we've used 400 kilos.
Oh, wow.
So there's a lot of dirt come off.
Significantly dirty.
Yeah, but I think you guys are doing a super cool thing. And yeah, I'm a dog lover, so we've got a couple of dogs. So we're super happy to partner up with you guys.
Well, we're both incredibly grateful, and a big thank you to you both. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time.
Cheers. Thank you very much, guys, and good luck.
I'm here with Dan, who has been the man working on our car for the past week. Now, Dan, what was the first thing you thought when you saw this roll in the door?
I've got a bit of work to do.
It is. We're pretty dirty when we rolled in. Now, we've been pretty lucky. We've come in throughout the week. We got to see it being its first stage, the cleaning process. Then we watched it go up on the hoist and watch you start to blast. Is there an area of a car typically that is the dirtiest but comes back the best? Is there like your guaranteed satisfaction area of a car?
It'll be the chassis,
Yeah.
the oil pan,
Okay.
and the diffs.
And then diffs.
Yeah, because they have like the most surface on there.
Yeah, okay. And typical, ours is pretty filthy. I do remember seeing like our fuel tank, especially, that kind of peeled off, satisfying.
Definitely.